Hey everyone, so for our first big lesson I wanted to do an axis line drawing. This is a project that a lot of architecture students do in college, and it's a good intro kind of lesson to do with drawing one. For this lesson, the first thing you're going to need is a ruler, and then you need a pencil sharpener, pencil, and an eraser. So if you need to pause the video and grab those things, please do so now. The first important thing is the ruler and how to read the ruler, because a lot of people get confused by this. Obviously, where the numbers are, the big numbers, are the inch marks. So, inch. In between that is the next biggest line. That's going to be your half inch. And then on each side of that is the next biggest line, and those are quarter inch. So those are the most important for what we're gonna do. But there are other marks, eighth inch and things like that, but those won't really matter for right now. So first thing I want you to do is take your ruler anywhere on the paper, and I want you to do a 4-inch line, and make sure that it's a perfect line, otherwise it'll mess this whole project up. Then you're going to do another 4-inch line. Now this can be perfectly vertical if you want. It can go to the side. It really doesn't matter. And line that up. So now both of them should be exactly 4 inches long. Now you want to start making little tick marks. So the most important thing is to always start with the very top, no matter what. It's always going to have a mark. And then for this example, let's do every inch. And then even down here at the bottom, this needs a mark. Then, start on the next side, again, another mark, inch mark, 2, 3, and 4 at the end. Now I want you to label these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this side's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now all you're going to do is start connecting your points with the ruler. So definitely make sure you use a ruler, because if you try and eyeball it, it won't look right. It needs to be perfectly straight lines. But the 1 to 1's already connected. Now you're going to do the 2 to 2. And make sure you line up those lines perfectly. 3 to 3. 4 to 4. And then you have that. Now that's not really anything too special because the points are so big. So after you do that inch one, somewhere on your sketchbook I want you to do another 4-inch by 4-inch line. Okay, and then this time I want you to do half-inch marks. So remember to always start with the top. Then you got the half-inch, inch, half-inch, inch, half-inch, inch, half-inch, inch. And then do the same thing down here at the bottom. Definitely make sure though that you line it up exactly right. And then same thing as we did last time. Make sure you number them. And then do it again, line it up. So 1 to 1's already done. 2 to 2. And you definitely don't want to rush on this. Make sure that your points line up exactly right. And And now you start to get this visual effect where you're getting curved lines using nothing but straight points. So do a couple of those practice points. So you can do right angles, you can do obtuse angles, you can even do acute angles if you want. But try that first.